All right. Well, today I have the shooting star model I just designed last weekend. And it's a great gift for anyone finishing school this year, passing grades, something like that. You can fold it out of an appropriate bill for the occasion. All right. Let me show you how to fold it. Shouldn't take too long. All right, here we go. Fold it in half. Fold these lines in, starting from the center point all the way over to the corner. So there we go. Crease those down. Turn over. Fold these edges into the center. Get a nice point up here. We're making this fold right here. Crease those down. Alright. And take this point and raise it up this way as far as possible. What I mean by as far as possible is it starts pulling and binding right here at this edge. So I'm going up a little bit past the point, and we're going to lay this edge over. Make a nice sharp point here. So just pinch that, pull it on up. And crease that down. Get your point nice and straight at the top. There we go. Now let's pull this point up to the point equal to the last one we just made. Crease it in there. That helps you lay it down. And push this back over, holding this in place. Well, making your little point first. And if this goes a little bit over this way like this one, just ease it on back that way. Lift this up to line up the points. And then crease that down in the center. Lay that part back down. So it looks like this. Now we're going to bring this point up past this one. So this one already has the crease in it. And you bring it up, and it'll bring this with it. And we're going up past that point, about the same amount as the other one went past. So you've got 3 different height points there. Lay this over right on its original crease, and just don't worry about that much. Now switch over to this side, fold this up, and line up its original crease with the point to this one. And crease that down. And there we go. Okay, so you got this like this so far. You got this little opening pocket here. We're just going to lay these raw edges down to the center on both sides and make this come to a nice point at the other end. So our fold starts right at that point, lays on down this way. Now before you worry about straightening that out, go ahead and get the other one going. Just like that. Pull this on in some more. And roll these together into the center. Like that. Pin this back. Get rid of all that excess paper. So there you go. And go ahead and fold this up and back. Getting rid of all the non-nice looking stuff to the back. So right there. So it looks like this in back. And here's the front. Now open these up to the first one. So you've got 2 points dangling out here. And we just bring this raw edge into the center. And line it up along here. And as you go down this way, push this up and line this up right there. Close that back up. Do the same thing to this. Lay it down along the center. Adjust your point over here. And close that up. So it's like this. Oops, that one moved on me. Alright, so it looks like this. Now you do this side. This time I'm making sure it doesn't move on me when I close it. Open this one up. Fold it in. See? So now it looks like this. So we've got this. And now we'll just fold it in half along this back edge. Open it up. Open up these points. Fold it down. And then you pull these around this way. Now, depending on how close you want these, you can lock it shut with a little gap or a bigger gap. So on the back here, just pinch this center part together and open up one side. Now you've got to do it while you're holding it. And fold this edge into the center like that. And just kind of bend this way so you don't crush that crease. And now on this one, flip this edge over this way and fold that up into that groove there. And just don't crush the center too much. Now put this over that one and tuck it in like that. Straighten up your creases. Well, this bill was a little bit too soft. It looked good. It's a little bit soft. You need a fairly decent bill to make this one. And there's your shooting star. Just put everything back where the pre-creases are. Came out all right. I didn't stay in the center as well as I did on the prototype. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that one. And we'll get you a nicer model on the weekend, hopefully.